Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, what are the messages for you? My God. 3 of Swords, 10 of Swords and Ace of Wands. What's going on, Taurus? The Fool, the Emperor and King of Wands. Under the deck, Wheel of Fortune. Things are turning out in your favor and already started. Some positive shifts is coming in your life. Shifts are coming in your life, Taurus, and it is very good news for you because Wheel of Fortune, good fortune is coming and things are in a positive way. You're seeing your life changing into a positive way. Okay, so let's see. If not is happening right now, it will be in near future. So let's see our reading recent past. 3 of Swords, 10 of Swords and Ace of Wands. You are very heartbroken. You are missing someone. With 10 of Swords. You are in so much pain with 3 of Swords. You are literally heartbroken here. See. And but still you want rebirth in this connection. Still you are very passionate about your person because Ace of Wands. Still you want, still one part of you is not no giving up on this connection, but another part still want. This is like a head over heart type of situation what I'm getting here, because one part is very passionate about and one part is very heartbroken. So let's see then present. The Fool, Emperor and King of Wands. But you overcome this pain, 3 of Swords and 10 of Swords. Then you stand by your power and you now become very attractive and you are very grounded, very powerful. And you are going with the flow. You are living in the present moment, but someone is coming back to offer commitment. I think in past there is no commitment, there is no equal give and take. But the Emperor, maybe you both have some ego problems also. So Taurus, someone is coming to you to offer commitment because the Emperor and King of Wands. It could be you or you. This one person could be King of Wands and your person may be Emperor. If you are Emperor, your person may be King of Wands. Okay, but both, I think it's your person. They're very passionate about you. They really want to offer commitment. In future, 7 of Cups, 6 of Cups and 6 of Swords. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. They want reconciliation and 6 of Cups is here. They're thinking about you a lot. And they want to fix 6 of Swords. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And some communication. 7 of Cups. Maybe you are having options also for some. You are concentrating on your career. Right now you are busy with your career, Taurus, for some. But you have options, 7 of Cups. But they are coming back for reconciliation. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, I am seeing separation. But if you are, for some, if you are not in separation, they want to marry you. There is some marriage proposals are coming. They want to fix the things between both of you. But it's up to you. Decision is in your hands, Taurus. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. The Fool under the deck. They want to take leap of faith and they want brand new beginnings with you. So Taurus, let's see your person current feelings. Yeah, Devil, they're obsessed with you. Maybe they did something wrong to you. They're very dominative in this connection because there is no equal give and take in past 6 of Pentacles. And Seven of Swords. Definitely they did something wrong to you, they hurt you, maybe they were not treated you well in past, but now they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. They want to fix the things between both of you. Knight of Swords energy. They're very dominative. Maybe they are not available to you emotionally when you need them. Six of Pentacles. Now they want to offer equal give and take. They're obsessed with you. They're obsessively thinking about you, Taurus. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Your person near future actions towards you, Taurus. Yeah, communication, Queen of Swords, clarity, Knight of Pentacles, Two of Cups under the deck. This is the mutual love. You also still have feelings for your person, and you both have feelings for each other. You both have so much love for each other. And Queen of Swords, communication and clarity. They want to open up. They want to express their true feelings with you. They want to be honest with you. Because Queen of Swords is straightforwardness. And Knight of Pentacles, yeah, they really want to offer stability. And this time maybe your person is very sincere. They know they did hurt you in past. Seven of Swords energy. Now they're realizing. Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy. Now they're getting clarity. Princess of Cups, they have emotions for you. And Two of Cups, they have love for you. This is mutual love. Mutual feelings. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Two of Wands. Again, this could be long distance relationship. They're thinking about you a lot. A lot of thinking. Seven of Cups and Nine of Wands. Again, thinking. They're fantasizing about you a lot. I think it's not about option because they really want to offer commitment to you. That's why it is regarded as fantasizing, not about options. But you stand by your power and the world. Some cycles are repeating between you and your person again and again. This maybe creates resistance in the connection, and some cycles are going to be end. Yeah, there is long-term commitment is coming in this connection. You stand by your power, Taurus. Now you are very independent. You are no more dependent on anyone. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, they're coming back. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Again, waiting in divine timing. You turn your back. Maybe one person turn their back from the other person in this connection. Waiting game is going between you and your person. Right now, you both are in no contest situation because the mutual card Hermit. But in near future, there will be some communication. They are rushing towards you to talk with you to fix the things. They want reconciliation. Taurus. Yeah, they're fantasizing about you a lot. They're thinking, I'm seeing long-term commitment. But right now, they're coming back with very slow-moving energy. See? Page of Cups, apology, communication. So let's see their overall energy for the week. Taurus. Both are on the same page, spiritually awakening. Maybe you both thinking about each other a lot. You both are thinking about, again, see, you also thinking about them a lot. You're hoping that reconciliation will happen. Some positive stability is coming. Wow. See how cards are correlated with each other. Six of Pentacles, equal give and take, stability, and the Sun, positivity. Maybe for some children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, you are also thinking about them a lot. Maybe for some you got it right now, but still waiting for them. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Taurus. Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. King of Cups, I think you both are very emotional for each other. There are a lot of emotions for each other. Stalking, they may be spying on you on social media. They keep tabs on you. And Five of Wands, maybe for some there is a lot of drama. They're fighting for your attention. But you both have strong emotions for each other because Queen of Cups and King of Cups. There is mutual love between both of you. This is not one-sided. So let's see. Message for Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. It's time to give rather than take. So one person in this connection is only taking, not giving. in return. So this is the message for for that person, especially if you are taking from your person, it is the time to give back. This is the message from universe. So if your person is taking, not giving, this is the message for them. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.